Never be the same. Never be the same again. Never be the same again. No man can tell you like you. The talk they game me actually bad for you. No man can tell you like you. The talk say game me. I'm ready to, ready to, ready to. If I never get ready to, I'm gonna take it to. On your way, ready to, ready to. Ready to. Baby girl, make it the line. Make it tell your friends, saying if you this time, you even waste time. Cause that make you go for the degree. I'm being white. I can't wait to make your face just smile. It's not enough. You set my soul on fire. Somebody else got one. Life will be the same. All right. Okay, okay, 43, 43. All right. I think now remember, guys, we are analyzing what do you call it? GBP, sorry, Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro GBP. So we want to look for buy opportunities. Remember, this is a POI on the daily time frame. Okay, this is a POI on the daily time frame. So we want to look for buy setups. So if I come to the chart on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, I will see that this is a sweep of liquidity, right? We have a sweep of liquidity there. This becomes a protected low. We have a break of structure. Okay. Then price retraced all the way down here, then spiked to the upside, which means we had a break here. And price gave us this resting liquidity to be taken out later in the future. So let's mark this out. So we are anticipating something like this, right? So we're anticipating price to come something like this. So then continue. Remember, we are looking for buy setups. All right, price took out liquidity here the first time, then it came back again, took it out again, and still in profit. Now, remember what I told you guys about those in my mentorship group? Remember what I told you guys about 5 minutes demand and supply level? Price is always going to now. I've mentioned it in my inner circle. I've mentioned it in my mentorship. Wherever you are, you know at some point you've watched something like this, and I've told you guys that price will always because this is the setup, but now I always draw out another zone for my 5 minutes entry, right? I always draw out another zone for my 5 minutes entry. You get. So what happened here? Price first took out this structural liquidity, then went all the way back up. Me, I wouldn't have taken this buy here because this would have been my entry. You get. So price did all of this, still came back down and then taps into the demand level, and then it started buying, right? It started buying, So now I want to look for another what do you call it? Buy entry. I want to look for another buy entry. Another buy entry. Price, all this one that price is just ranging, and I don't like trading a ranging market. Yeah, I don't like trading a ranging market, but let's still see if we have a setup to take the buy. I mean, why? All right, you can see this. So if imagine you are taking your entry from here, I held this, you'll still be in profits because remember, this is the daily time frame. Victory carrying if it's shared, then I have to Yeah, I got to be there. Babylon, Babylon, yeah, sit down. All right, this is start and this is your finish line. Babylon. Imagine say you knock this thing 1 billion lots, you hold that all the way to here, right? This is gonna be good profits. Yeah, this is like this is 200 pips now. It's more for a daily time frame, shall I trust JPY pairs. On a daily time frame, you see this kind of thing there. USD JPY, GBP JPY, you'll be seeing like 1,000 pips. This one is rubbish tips. Because this 200 pips is what you can get on GBP time on GBP JPY pair, let's say 1 hour time frame, 2 hours time frame. You get, but this is a daily time frame. It should be more than this. So now you know this is the target. So you want to be looking out for buys. So now let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame. Anytime and every time. So we've taken a win. We've taken a win here. This is our first win, this move. So let's look for another entry. So now on the 5 minutes time frame, I can still see a sweep of liquidity here. So this is a protected low. This is a structural liquidity. But this mathematical calculation. Baby, I go finish you. Baby, I go finish you. Okay. All right. Why some people were looking for buy opportunities here? Me, I was waiting for this place here. Baby, I go finish you. Baby, I go finish you. All right. Looking now, you guys looking. I'm only trying to be my friend. There might be something in that ways. We can look at the global problem. Thank you for the food. To if I know job, all right, so we are locked in. Price just took out structural liquidity. It has tapped into our POI. Now, for the 5 minutes time frame, this is your TP here. But mind you, the TP is still far gone. So let's see what happens. For this mathematics, no calculation. All right, I can still see another setup here. Now, this is the 5 minutes time frame. There's still another setup here, right? We have a sweep of liquidity here. We have the structural liquidity on the 5 minutes. So we also have another setup. So let's go. I don't really like trading 5 minutes, shao. I don't like trading 5 minutes. So in case you're trading 5 minutes, 15 minutes or more, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Yeah. So please, and also please, if you are setting your stop loss on currency pairs, right? If you are setting your stop loss on currency pairs, if you are setting your stop loss on currency pairs, you need to be careful. Use at least 10 pips or 15 pips or 20 pips. Because now I realize that most times whenever I set my stop loss to like maybe 5 pips, 6 pips, 7 pips, I get stopped out. So what do? I set my stop loss to like 10 pips. Yeah, so you can see what happened. You would have almost been stopped out, and then price will just like boom, go to your direction, and you'll be, angry. You understand? So 10 pips is most preferable. 10, 15, 20. All right. I don't use 30. I use 20 maximum and 10 minimum. I need to be me. Take one for the team. When I put it. All right. I've also seen another buy entry. Let me take this out. All right. All of these are called soup of liquidity. Right. We have a protected. Fine for me. Right. Wow. Everybody tell that. Allergy. Yes. Yeah, buddy, they are cool. No, be April Fool. Children, because I give you PP. Right, so be honest, you dance body, you are taking off the room. All right, this is a setup for Euro GBP buy. All right. Yeah. Don't leave. Remember, 10 pips. Don't leave. Yeah. She's a really to be me. Take one for that team. Yeah, he play out too. Ah. She said, don't leave. Hey, Jailo. I swear to God, I thought this was a live analysis. Like, I was already like, I was going to say, like, we should be anticipating a buy from here. Forget I bad. Just remember they make money, I swear. I see the whole Lapo money, but no, I'm gonna clear my debts first. Yeah, they get enough of a loan. See, if you get enough of a loan, see, if you are not making money in dollars, right, you are fuck up in. Like, now this is a trade I would have taken. Yeah. I don't even know when this played out. Like, I had no idea. Let me see. Now, remember what I said, guys. Remember what I said about price buying and selling from what? A demand level on a 5 minutes time frame or a supply level on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Now, what happened? This would have been my entry. Look at this. Holy Ghost fire, supernatural, was my conscience. Yes, so Naya desire, give me happiness. I know that give me ginger. If you are not
Boss, can
yet,
I?
check your technical this thing on your laptop. Give me happiness. Oh yeah, get the one dance. Get the one dance. Get the one dance. Get the one dance. Now, this would have been my entry here. Somewhere around here or here. Okay. All right, guys. So now some people would be anticipating a sell from here, which I will never be interested in. They'll do something like this. But me, I'm not interested in this sell. To me, it's not even valid itself. Well, my true lover. Now, this is also another opportunity for you to enter this buy. Yeah, remember, we've taken like 3 wins now on this Euro GBP buy. Is that is that teaser? You got me just give me again like a teaser. Is it this or that? If I seek, I'll find.
Good evening. Good evening, bro. Boss.
Yeah, even I
How
feel
you doing now?
I do. But I can see you get up and dance, get up and dance, get up and
Hello?
please write or type in the chat box. I've
All right.
mentioned one. Get up and dance. Holy Ghost fire. Supernatural. So why you are anticipating a sell, yeah? Me, I'm anticipating what? A buy. I know God enough. I am desire. You get, take this out and then boom. It might even smash, invalidate this your setup here. So you gotta be careful. So this is why you need to know where price is coming from and where price is going to. Very, very, very important. Okay? Very, very important. So now, look at where we started this whole journey from. Imagine you took your trade from here and you're still holding and price it's TP here. Yeah, you've made money now. So I'll be anticipating a buy continuation here. Get go, get go. So this is like my own Japan for signal. So that's why it was small body, big engine. Small body, big engine. Remember 10 pips. Or I will bring that down small. Small body, big one. You see. Come on for a road, come on for a road, come on for a road now, man. So come on for a road, come on for a road now, man. So sick. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, we can do it. All right, guys. So, which currency pair again are we looking at? Sometimes I'm always wary of stuff like this. So I think I'll just mark this out as and I shall know where. Um Euro CHF. NZD card. Let me check NZD card. I haven't checked that pair in a long time. Small body, big as you see. Mr. Charlie. Small body, big body. Now, some people just come, start looking for pattern here on the 15 minutes time frame. It's not done that way. What do you want to do? Yeah, anyone? What do you want to do first?
Look where market is coming from and where it's going to.
Yeah, we want to look out for where market is coming from and where it's going to on the weekly or daily time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's happening there. Uber, banger. How many views on the boy don't pay? How many results I will pay? Just like shit about that job. How many these views on the boy? I see who's ready. You see, now show me the money out there. Come on, my money. It's a global type of script. All right. Yeah, many I know, living life. I read on the green. I see I go. Some coming, I do. Some coming, go low. We on the low, yeah. I tell my guy there, I see every penny. It's a nice circle. That's where this buy is coming from. They say I be troublemaker. It's not really coming from anywhere. Yeah, this cell as well. Where's this cell coming from? Make you say please. body. I go see pass everybody on those lines, that's trash. I did closer. So if you don't see on the weekly time frame or on the daily time frame, right? You want to go to your 4 hours time frame. So you see where exactly gone this is coming from. Things you get. Doesn't really surprise me. Your mom anyway going with the big my red, my red on the green. I see yellow. So I'm going yellow. You
I
that
think
said
it's visible on the weekly.
on the weekly. What do you say on the weekly? Check
There's a sweep, structural break, 2 breaks.
yeah,
There's something there
yeah.
by the left.
Is it yeah?
By the left. No,
This
no,
is
no, like down. Where that buy is coming from.
is it a buy or sell?
Where the buy is coming from. Like a
Where this buy
reacted.
is coming from, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah,
you are
a
saying yeah,
reacted.
there's a sweep of liquidity, yeah?
No. This particular uh
Yeah,
push up. No, left. Yeah, this one.
yeah. What about it?
Where it started buying from.
Yeah,
Like
you started buying from here.
is
Yeah,
reacting to yeah. Is reacting
but,
to somewhere by the left.
but
There
I'm
is
not
no
really
structural
seeing.
liquidity there.
Yeah, let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Let me see. There's really nothing here. Unless you want to use
The 4 hours
this
time frame sell there.
unless you want to use this other block. They always looking for a lot. Yeah. Is they not to what's up? And I don't they see what's up. She wanna in a situation. All right, this is what I'm seeing on the 4 hours time frame. I need your love, but it's too deep inside. She going on for them.
Yeah, if you check the uh chat box, you'll see like something reacting on the weekly. Like the Zoom chat.
You say there's something okay on the weekly. Is it for a buy or a sell?
Yeah, for a buy.
For
If
a
you check
buy.
the Zoom chat, I sent a screenshot of it.
Let me open it. Let me see. Let me let it get Come on, this is distorting my. Oh God, not again now. I'm sorry, Jerry. My this thing is slow. Can you guys still see my screen, please? Let me be sure. That's it. Oh, yeah, down. That dog say no be me. I'm the one swallow me. Don't wanna bully me, I'm not going to come on. Hello, you guys see here? I don't do too much abuse and kill right now. I got put you on D. Security because I shut down a couple of my G and you show. I will put you on D and D. I say, what out with the security because I shut down a couple lines and my G and you show.